could do it. Come on.
I think this bird eat that little.
Come on, you could do it. Come on.
Got dizzy,
Get up.
you know?
Hey, go get water for her. Hey, go get a cup of water. Larry. Come on, you could do it. Get up, go. Get up. Come on.
Go sao thì nó luôn nè và chỉ nữa con.
Everything is not die. Either that or come on, you could do it. Get up.
Oh, almost. Come on.
Come on. Go. You could do it. Maybe it's poison.
Yeah,
Yeah. Or maybe
it's not around here though. It looked like it must came from somewhere else.
Come on. Come on, you could do it. Do it.
More water. Toss it in there.
Here. Water.
We can do how
Come on. Water.
Yeah, you did it. It's drinking it.
It is?
Come on. Water. Do it. Come on.
It's all twisted up, man.
Oh.
Yeah, then there's more seizure.
Yeah, right?
There's more seizure.
Oh, it's choking.
Oh no. Come on, wait.
Oh, water's coming out of his mouth, huh?
Yeah.
Come on, you can do it. Get up. Do it. Come on. You could do it.
Come on, Grandma, you gotta help that bird out, man. You can't let it die.
You want more water?
No, not July.
This is choking. Look. You want more water?
Maybe in
the airway,
Yeah.
not the esophagus.
Come on.
Let me
try to help you with CPR. Come on.
Is it choking? That's so sad.
Let's do CPR.
Oh, God, what country are you? What do cherry got bought you?
Come on.
That was a cherry thing that was poison.
I think it's choking.
Yeah. Choking.
Có món này tội kia hả? Có món này nhẹ chắc bà. Hey, mấy ông tụi chính cha na, mấy món này có cái lấy cái CPR cho nè.
Oh, we're scared of children. If they hear something else, they just like.
Birds are dirty creatures.
I know.
Come on, you can do it.
Yeah, you know, I when them revive Mr. King. I think that I'm gonna go through seizure. Really, that recover. Bye.